What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to get and watch local channels on your Hisense Smart TV. First things first, you have to know that this will not work except you have an antenna. Now there are different kinds of antenna. For instance, there is the digital antenna that allows you to search for local channels by just connecting it to the TV. These antennas usually have a power cable that must be plugged to the power source for them to work. But trust me, they work very well, and I have dropped a link in the description of this video where you can get some of the best antenna that will work for you. Alternatively, there is also the manual antenna that just requires you to keep the antenna where it can easily source for network, and that way it will also enable you to be able to search for local channels on your smart TV. Whichever way, I strongly recommend that you go for the modern antennas because they are usually better and they save you a whole lot of stress. Now, after you must have connected your antenna to the TV, here are some steps you want to take for you to be able to eventually find the available local channel for your TV. Now, one thing you want to do is simply to go to the settings of your TV over here, click on settings. Now, you want to scroll down to where you have channels, click on it, and then you want to go to auto scan. Now, this allows your TV to scan for available networks for some minutes, and after the scan it starts showing those channels automatically for you. So what you just have to do is to click on it and make sure that your TV is set to antenna. I think you can change it to something else, but you want to make sure that your TV is set to antenna and you not the cable. So you want to put it in the antenna and then click on OK. Now you'll be taken to this page. So what you just want to do is to press OK, and your TV will immediately start scanning for available networks. Now obviously this is going to take some time, but once it finds the network, it will record it in the network column, as you can see from the TV over here. So it's just going to take some time, but any network that it finds, it will be recorded there and it will be saved as part of the channels that you can watch from your TV. So you just have to wait for some minutes until it is done, and you should be able to access these networks without even an internet connection. Now, once your TV has finished scanning, what you want to do is to go to the input source over here and make sure that you leave it on TV. Now, once you click on TV, it automatically starts showing the available networks that you can watch on your TV, and you were able to scan and find using your antenna. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.